Look up. Those tiny pinpricks of light? Humans have been drawing pictures across them for thousands of years, but are constellations just pretty shapes or secret maps that tell stories and guide explorers? Constellations are patterns we impose on the sky to make sense of it. Every culture stitched stories into those patterns, heroes, animals, and storms, to pass knowledge across generations. But beyond myth, they're a practical map. Here's how the map part works. Constellations are groups of bright stars. Some form easy pointer stars. These help you find others. For example, lines between bright stars act like arrows across the sky. Another key, seasonal visibility. As Earth orbits the Sun, different constellations dominate the night. Learn the seasons and you've learned when to look. Want to try? Step 1. Find a bright reference star. Step 2. Imagine simple shapes, lines, triangles. Step 3. Use a star map app at first, then try without it. Constellations are where story meets navigation, myth and map in one sky. Tonight, step outside, pick a bright star, and trace a story of your own. Don't stop here. Explore the channel and discover more.